What drove the decision for why Robinhood with TradePMR and that acquisition was really two things. Number one, technology. Technology is the biggest disruptor that we can all look at and try to figure out where we need to go into the future. And if you looked across the landscape today, there are 5 back office computer systems that every firm in America sits on top of. Doesn't matter whether it's a bank or a brokerage firm. Every customer account of these guys in this room is all on one of those 5 outdated 30-year-old mainframe computer systems. And people don't really understand that in this world. So why Robinhood? When they called me and I said, well, what system are you on? They said, oh, we created our own system from scratch and it all lives in the cloud. And I went, okay, this is going to allow me to provide the next generation of software and experience to the RIA community, which is what I'm so excited about. And number two, we've all come to these conferences and everyone's raising their hand saying, how do we reach the next generation? How do we plug into that next generation and reach that client? Well, they live at Robinhood, they love the experience there, they love having their accounts there, they love the technology, and we're over here in the RIA community, so we're going to build a bridge between these two, and we're going to provide the advice that the advisors are able to give to that next generational community. And to me, that's the critical marriage. So those two things drove that decision. Tangible disruption to advisors means literally being able to transition your business to what your customers require. And that's something we did 30 years ago when we didn't have online access for customers. We didn't have online access for advisors. That transition occurred. Well, now it's the next step. How do we give advice to more clients than we've ever thought necessary? Because we're having a decline in advisor base, incline in customer base. We got to learn how to serve more customers better and efficiently. That's going to be a digital experience. And advisors have to disrupt their own thought process and how to create a digital experience and be able to online more customers more efficiently and give advice across the board. And it's not exactly what we would consider the face-to-face relationship because those clients don't exist there. They're not going to be in your boardrooms and your conference tables sitting down asking you questions. That's not going to be the next step. The next step is being able to provide digital advice. And we've got to figure out how to do that. That's the disruption that every advisor needs to tackle.